Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out the King Will, the Vow Keeper ring here. Has a little thing there, comes with a nice little box here, KW, and in there we have the ring, one ring to rule them all. That's pretty cool. This one comes in a bunch of different colors. I believe it's like metallic. So this is the red one here, and it comes with, you can get them in green, blue, yellow, black, silver, and a bunch of different designs on there. So what's cool about this, it's nice and soft, no sharp edges that's going to scratch you or anything on like that. It's well formed there. Says on the inside, if you guys can see, that says King Will there too. That's pretty neat. And also has like a little, it spins on there, so it's like a fidget spinner. I know a lot of people get nervous or whatever, and that just helps relieve stress or something like that. And so it's a nice little feature too. You just sit there and like spin around on the ring there. It's kind of cool. And it looks kind of neat. I really like the colors. Green is my favorite color, but this red one looks pretty fantastic as well. It just kind of got a nice little shiny aspect to it there. If you guys can see that, it's pretty cool. So definitely like the little box it came with, nice for presentation or for like gifts and stuff like that. Just fits right on there and it looks really cool. Yeah, so pretty neat ring here, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day and I'll catch you next time.